Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a blog on Elementor Easy Guide. Open WordPress, install Elementor, pick a simple theme, then create a blog page and assign it as your posts page. Use Elementor templates or build blocks with drag and drop, add a header, footer, and sidebar, and style post listings with query and layout controls to match your brand voice and visuals. Start by setting global colors, typography, and spacing so every page looks cohesive. Add the Posts widget to craft your blog listing. Choose layout, columns, and choose whether to show excerpts or full content. Design single post templates with dynamic widgets for title, meta, content, and related posts, and preview across mobile and desktop to ensure responsive, readable formatting that feels friendly and professional. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials and hit the bell for updates. Quick recommendation: life is short for a stinky car. Grab Little Trees Black Ice for a fresh ride while you work on your blog. It pairs surprisingly well with long editing sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on creating helpful content with clear headings and scannable sections to keep readers engaged. Optimize each post with meta descriptions, alt text for images, and internal links to boost time on site and crawlability. Use categories and tags to structure content, and configure an SEO plugin to manage sitemaps and schema, helping search engines index your posts and bringing steady, relevant traffic to your new Elementor blog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.